Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Honorable our English teacher, Mrs. Dr. Nur Rahmawati, MAD, that give me chance to deliver my speech and all my beloved friends. First, let us give thanks to Allah who has given grace and hope for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to deliver my speech about what is the COVID-19. As we know that now, Corona or COVID-19 has reached to our country, Indonesia. In Indonesia, patients positive for Corona or COVID-19 virus continue to grow. On this day, Thursday, 9 April 2020, the number of positive patients increased by 337 people. That way, the total accumulative to date has reached until 3,293 people who test positive for Corona or COVID-19. In our mind, this virus is very dangerous. Why? Because this virus has killed many people, including abroad. So, what questions do we have in our mind about that? Where did the virus come from? When did the virus infect humans? What are the symptoms when we start to be infected with the virus? And what action can we take to prevent the virus from hitting us or stopping its spread? So, in here, I will answer those questions. I would like to inform you about the definition COVID-19, the symptoms, causes, and how to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic based from my experience since I've done it at home. The coronavirus causes illness ranging from the common cold to more severe diseases such as severe acute respiratory syndrome or SARS, and Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS. According to World Health Organization, they circulate in animals and some can be transmitted between animals and humans. So, several coronavirus are circulating in animals that have not yet infected humans. So, the new coronavirus, the seven known to affect humans, has been named with COVID-19. So, this virus was first discovered in the city of Wuhan at the end of December 2019. The symptoms of this virus include fever, coughing, and breathing difficulties. In severe cases, it can be cause pneumonia, multiple organ failure, and death. The incubation period of COVID-19 is thought to be between 1 until 14 days. It is contagious before symptoms appear, which is why so many people get infected. Infected patients can be also asymptomatic, so meaning they do not display any symptoms despite having the virus in their systems. So, a person can get COVID-19 through a variety of ways. So the first is accidentally inhaling saliva splash or droplets, so that come out when people with COVID-19 cough or sneeze. The second is hold the mouth, nose without washing hands first after touching an object affected by saliva splash of COVID-19. And the third is close contact with people with COVID-19, such as touching or shaking hands. So, should I worry about that? How can I protect myself? So, based from my experience, I have some steps or ways to prevent from the coronavirus or COVID-19. The first is regularly washing hands with soap and water and covering your mouth with your elbow when sneezing or coughing. Maintain physical distancing. So this is very important. keeping at least 1 meters or 6 feet between yourself and the others. Avoid touching your face, eyes, and mouth with unwashed hands. So you must wash your hands. And then avoid unnecessary unprotected contact with animals. And be sure to thoroughly wash hands after you contact with your animals. For people suspected of being affected by COVID-19 or included in the ODP or monitored person or PDP or patient under surveillance, there are steps that can be taken so that the coronavirus is not transmitted to others. Do not leave the house except for treatment. If you want to go to the hospital when the symptoms get worse, you should first contact the hospital to pick up you, and then do independent isolation by staying apart from others for a while. If it is not possible, use a bathroom that is different from what others use. And then prohibit and prevent others from visiting you until you are completely healthy or healthy. And then wear a mask and gloves when in a public place or with someone else. That's the information that I can convey about the COVID-19 pandemic. From the topic that I already said about the definitions, symptoms, and causes, and how to preventing ourselves from COVID-19, we already know about the COVID-19 and have to pay attention and consider every activity we do. So especially activities that we often do outside at home. So I have a short quote for this topic. So every cloud has a silver lining. Behind every disaster, there must be wisdom that can be taken. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.